Hello, in this video we're going to create isometric shape number 3 in Autodesk Inventor. To do this, first we're going to create this front face and extrude it out, and then we'll create our second shape. So we're going to be in Inventor, we got a new part, and I'm going to start 2D sketch on our XY plane. Now I'm just going to sketch this portion you see right here. So if we count, we can see it goes down 8. And then we come up and over it, and you can see on the top it goes in by an additional 1, 2, 3. And if we look at our top, we can see it goes up by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll create that on Inventor. So I'm just going to start with a line, and I'm going to go over out 8. So once I go out 8, I'm going to have to zoom out to see this. So I'm going to type in 8, hit enter, and you can see it extrudes it out. Then we go up. I'm not too worried about the exact distance. I'm just going to go up. I now dimension it later. Then I know it goes over to this same origin line on the y-axis, and then we go down to our origin. Now we need to dimension it to make it the right size. We said it was 5 tall, so let's make it 5 tall. Then we said this top segment that's in purple right now was 3, so let's click on that and make that a 3. And that gives us our overall shape 8, 5, and 3. You can see it's fully constrained. Everything's purple, so we're doing fine right now. So then we need to finish our sketch, and we need to extrude it out. If you count, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out. So if we go back to Inventor, we can hit extrude and extrude it out by a distance of 5. Hit enter. Now this object we add, you see it's on the back side, so we need to start on the back side to sketch this object. So we got to turn our object using this cube. I'm just going to click on the upper edge here, and that turns my object. Now I can start a sketch on the back face of this cube. Now we have to look at the shape we'll be creating. You can see it's a triangle on the edge. The one face is along the edge of the already provided object. And we go up by a distance of 1, 2, 3, and in by a distance of 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to start in the far corner, right down here, with a line. I could change my shape, but it's going to be pretty easy to do with this line too. So again, I want to make sure it's 90 degrees straight up. It goes up 3, hit enter, and then I want to go straight across at 90-degree angle, and it should run into my shape when I type in a 3 and enter. Finally, I need to close my shape so I can sketch it, so I can extrude it. So I want to go green dot to green dot, and that closes out my shape. Once I do that, I should be able to finish the sketch and extrude it out. In this case, it's extruding the wrong direction, so we need to change the direction. To do that, I'm just going to click on the circles down here, on the direction 2 down here. And you can see this time it's starting to go all the way across. I don't want it to go all the way across. If we count, it goes in by 1, 2, 3. So I need to change that value to a 3. So I change my distance to 3 and hit OK. That should give us the object we need. If we click Home, you can see it matches the shape we're looking at when we look at object 3. Hopefully this helps in your creation of object number 3. Good luck.